So hello and welcome back to my channel, all of my viewers and subscribers. And I would like to thank you guys for tuning into my live streams, and also my videos. Also, please, as you come in, you can like up the live. It's nothing to like the live. It's free. You can also leave a comment. You can also share the content. You can also subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content that I bring on a daily basis. So it's just a quick electrical talk about the safety around the holidays. And like I said, I did a video on it before, and I just want to remind everyone that always to take safety first when it comes to electrical, even if it means that getting rid of the old power cord, extension cord that you use, if it's damaged in any way, shape or form. If the ground pen is missing from it, try not to keep that around, as some people they believe in holding on to stuff for a long time. But like I said, electrical is nothing to try to hold on to when the safety is at risk. It's always better to spend the extra dollars that you need to stay safe and keep your loved ones safe throughout not just the holidays, but throughout the time that you guys are on this earth. As you know that anything with electrical can be prevented, but also when not prevented, it can cause some serious issues. So all of those extension cords that you use on the outside that are not allowed, try not to use these things as they create great danger for people. Also, the light bulbs, the lights that you have in your home. A lot of people are not aware of all the lights that they have. Sometimes there are a lot of safety hazards with them, and when it comes to using these older pot lights, they tend to create a bigger issue in terms of causing fires and stuff like that. So also make sure that you check for your labels on the extension cord or even the lights. Sometimes a lot of us will get stuff from overseas, other countries, and they don't have that sticker that you need to have, CSA sticker. And a lot of times what ends up happening is you're basically violating the actual law that states that you should have a CSA sticker of some sort on all products that are used in Canada, and I'm pretty sure throughout the rest of the world. But again, I'm only speaking for Canada, and like I said, I believe that you guys should take a minute or or so, 2 minutes, whatever it is, to make sure that everything is in place for the Christmas holidays. And you're not scrambling when time comes to look for these extension cords and stuff that you need. And you find yourself with overheating lights. It all happens very quick. And I think it's very it's important to know what you're doing around the Christmas holidays, and also to just stay on top of the safety when it comes to it. A lot of things happens during the holidays where it's controllable, but for some reason it gets out of hand because it was overlooked. So these are all things that you have to kind of pay attention to. I know a lot of people out there, they're not aware of all these things that can happen, and it might be somewhat of news to your ears, but it is reality, and it is what it is. And like I said, electrical is nothing to play around with. A lot of things can be prevented when the time is presented, and a lot of us tend to overlook the fact that a little tripping of the breaker is actually okay for this to do, and in reality it's not okay. If you have a breaker that's tripping constantly, there's something wrong. Get it checked out. Don't waste time trying to save money. Just have it checked out. It's not worth the hassle of knowing that you didn't act on the situation that was presented to you. Like I keep saying, the Almighty presents it opens up doors for us, and it shows us the way, but a lot of us don't acknowledge what's in front of us. And a lot of times when something major is happening with the electrical inside of the homes, there was a sign given to you, but you obviously didn't acknowledge that sign for whatever reason it may be. Maybe you didn't know. Maybe you were too busy doing other things and just brushed it aside. I know for me, if someone contacts me and they say that there's been a breaker that is not working, it keeps tripping, I'm going to look into it as much as I can, because I know there's a problem, there's an issue, and with my knowledge of knowing that there's an issue, obviously I'm not going to just walk into the home and do a 5-minute check and then say everything is good and charge the client. I'm going to investigate, ask my questions to the person that called me out, try to find out as much as I need to try to figure out how the problem started and what it keeps doing as the day goes on. So a lot of times it's just asking the right questions to try to figure out how these problems started. And I think most of us, I'm not going to say I'm included in here, but a lot of times we tend not to ask the right questions when it comes to finding out what really happened and how the problem existed. or started. So for all the people out there who might think that when we're asking questions and there's no meaning or no merit to it, there is something behind, you know, I don't remember what the word is, but there's something behind the madness behind the questions that we're asking. We simply want to get to the bottom of the situation. It's nothing. It's better to ask that person who was there and who will know why and how it occurred, and it basically gives us a little bit of background onto what we need to search for and how we need to go about searching the problem that currently exists. So, it's vital. It's vital to provide the information and not, be stressed out or be annoyed with us. We're basically just trying to get to the issue at hand as quick as we can without charging or overcharging the client too much. And as you are aware that a lot of times you'll have one problem that started, and it can trigger other things that will in the event start to go on. A lot of times also you have the older panels they're just faulty, and you guys are not aware of that either. There are faulty panels out there that are in the system, and that we are not allowed to use when it comes to the installation of new panels and stuff like that. There's certain panels we're not allowed to use. They've been discontinued, and a lot of times, like I say, that's where the issue comes from. A lot of times you simply have to end up changing out your panel depending on the situation and depending on how bad it is. I know I've been into some homes where one leg of the panel was working and the other leg was basically gone, and simply trying to explain to the homeowner or the client that it's time to change your panel, or it's time to get rid of the old and in with the new. It's difficult because a lot of people don't have that money on the spot when those times comes. But like I said, electrical is nothing to play around with, and always try to be safe when it comes to it, and never try to think that I'm trying to save a dollar here. It's not up Gaza Uncle. Just heading out to work here, and the traffic is stalled, so I decided to do a live on my way in. I haven't done a live in the morning. I don't think maybe once or twice this week. So I just wanted to come out and talk again about the electrical tips for the safety around the Christmas times. And a lot of people tend to overlook the actual situation that is presented just because of trying to save a couple of dollars. As you all know, also, like I was previously said, the panels, it's very important that if you somehow have lost half of power inside of your home, and this is a real life story that happened to me with a client, so I know from previous experience that it does happen. Uh, Obviously, I've never encountered anything throughout my years of working, and hearing of one side of your panel losing power, or the panel basically shuts off every couple of hours. I've never heard of anything like that before, so when I hear stuff like this, it's new to my ears, and obviously I'm more than curious to try to figure out what's the issue, and the only issues that can come from it is either one, the panel is no good, two, there was a nick in the wire coming in from the hydro. It does happen over time, or the wire simply lost its its capability to perform. And like I said, I've been in these situations where I was called out and I was told that the panel was shutting off, on and off. I tried to assist them as much as I can, but sometimes you have to go the other route, which is shutting down your power, having an actual ESA notification so they can come out and you can have a better understanding of what's going on and be able to change out what you need to do in order to fix this. And so that's basically one of the real life experience of that's occurred. And another one was basically I just did a brand new service upgrade, 200 amps, and it was signed off, checked off, everything by the inspector. And obviously an inspector is not going to sign off on any work if there's an issue. And for me, there wasn't an issue. And having the client call me back, to say that there's actually an issue with the service, it's really, it really can trigger your brains to try to understand what's going on. Obviously, you also know that the problem is not coming from you, depending on what's going on in the home. And basically, what was going on was, lights were flickering when you turn on the washer and the dryer. The lights were flickering. It was just something that I've never seen, but I also knew that it was something that was coming from the service, and it could not have been my wires. Reason I know that is because I simply put my meters on those wires, and I tested it to make sure everything was fine on my end. And trying to explain that to a homeowner is very difficult sometimes, as they think that the problem occurred from you. And you have to now try to convince them, or try to, if you're someone like me who can explain in detail what's going on, then you will have no issues of explaining really what's going on with the current issue at hand. You will be able to tell the customer, and let the customer have faith in you that
the speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour.
This is basically what's going on. This is what you need to do, and that's basically what happened to me. I had to explain to the client, or the customer, after numerous times of looking around for issues and not finding any real issue, but something that was coming from the hydro. And also having to be able to assist the person in order to have it fixed right away is also a blessing that you know it's also a blessing that you can accomplish with once you know how to maneuver and haul it in. And that's basically what I did. And it ended up being that it was something coming from the outside and not the inside. So it's the signals are there. We just don't pay attention to it. And like I said, by the time it happens, it's a lot of times it's too late. And so it's very important to remember these tips as it comes around to the holidays that is just lurking around the corner, and just try to stay safe and make sure everyone is safe when it comes to the actual electrical part of it, and make sure that you do recognize the hazards that are out there and don't leave them alone as it can cause damage. It's never problems are never best left alone. It's always best to try to fix them as soon as you can. Like I said, we all are provided with numerous amount of plugs and switches in the home, and if you feel that there's an issue with the circuit and you don't need that circuit, simply just shut it off. Find someone who can come and take a look at it, and that way it's safe. You're safe. You're safe. There's no worries. There's nothing at all you shouldn't worry about. Just simply turn it off that circuit and force it on. So again, this was just a all, all, I didn't see you. I'm not sure if you just popped into the life. I was driving and just on the way here. So I just decided to turn over to the phone and I saw you. So thank you for checking into the morning life. And as I said, it was just a safety tip of around the holidays when it comes to electrical. People tend to keep these things in the back of their head. They tend to not really follow through when it comes to electrical. They also, a lot of people also leave it alone to the last minute, and that's obviously when issues happen. So, like I said, it's just tips on trying to stay safe around the holiday season, not just the holiday season, but throughout your time when it comes to phones and like I said, problems happens. Electrical is very strange at times, and for that reason, a lot of times you'll see on the videos when I wire up places. I actually wire up places while staying within the code, while also knowing with the knowledge that I possess that what will happen or what will not happen if I wire up something. A lot of us tend to not give thought to when it comes to the actual wiring. It's just quick in and out for us, but for me it's totally different. I like to spend as much time, so not really so like I said, it's just a safety tip, and have the smoke detectors, just try to make sure, check the batteries, make sure that that the smoke detector light is actually on, and actually showing green. If it's a different color, then got an issue going on, and we all know smoke detectors are very, very important, crucial to our daily lives right now. It's the number one thing that will save us from the event of fire or accident of some sort. I know a lot of people think that to actually spend the money to install them is a waste of time. But if you actually really think about it, you will really realize about it in a different way, because I believe that if you're going to spend $100 to $200 on smoke detectors, it's well worth it than for you to actually lose your possessions other way that you didn't want, that you could have avoided the situation. You simply didn't avoid, you simply did not avoid those situations because you either want to try and save some dollars so when it comes to the smoke detectors, there's no trying to save dollars. It's all about trying to make sure everything is safe. Uh, yes, Up Movement TV, up. Oh, my mic won't fix? Oh, bro, are you serious? What about now? Yeah, so I was chatting away and no one heard me then. Jeez, bro. Up Movement. Uh, 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 yeah, so hopefully you guys can hear me now better. Hopefully you did hear what I was talking about and I wasn't just rambling on my own. But like I said, when it comes to yeah, Up Movement TV, thank you for checking into the live this morning, and thank you for the continuing support every time. It's a blessing. Um, you know, okay, okay. It's probably how I had it on the back side. Maybe it's chipping in and out, possibly. I don't have the regular the bike. I don't have it. I do have it in the car, but I didn't use it because while I was leaving, I decided to hop on the live. So on the road, so I'm gonna try to play around with bike while driving. You know, it's pretty dangerous. And you know, that's another thing. The thing that we have to look out for when it comes to the actual Christmas season is, you know, the people, a lot of people on the road, they're in a rush, and you know, that's how a lot of them end up going, simply because they're in a rush, and they're not taking the time to actually see what's going on the road, and you know, that's when the danger kind of happens. As you can see, I'm talking, I'm driving, but you know, I'm focused on the road, and that's very important for me. once I come on the live, if I'm driving, I don't want to be. I can't be focused in the comment section too often, as as I know in the given moment on the roads when you're driving, that I'm going to stay focused on driving and glance over a couple of at the comment section. So basically, that's how I do it when I'm driving. It's not me trying to avoid the messages. It's just that I'm more trying to be safe than anything else, while driving. But like I said, safety comes with a whole lot of different aspects. It could be while on the road driving. A lot of times we're trying to get to a job, and
the speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
The weather conditions, as you may know, over here, there's snow, there's ice, a lot of things that can go the other way while driving in the winter, and um, a lot of us don't realize the nature of the situation on hand, and a lot of times I'll be driving in bad weather, and I'll see that people are just zoom along and just do stupid stuff, and you have to wonder if this person actually values life, or they're going through some type of crisis, and it does happen, right? Life can hit us at any given moment, and you have to be able to adapt to it. And I think that being able to adapt to the situation when presented is very important. That a lot of us figure out and try to do. Um, but I wasn't aware that we were going to have some bad weather today. But obviously, it started. Eventually, I will turn on my four wheel in order to be safe. But that's another thing. When prepping for home, we tend to, we don't know what's going to happen. And as you can see, I didn't prep this morning, so my four wheel is not on. And obviously, I'm going to take my time to get ready to go, turn it on after once I pull over. But yeah, so it's all to do with safety, and yeah, Movement TV. It's one thing to um, do a live, but I think it's you know also very important to just stay focused while on the road, and not I mean, it's more important. There's other people's life at risk also, and I think it's important to also try to remember that. And, like I said, for me, I'm always going to I'm always going to drive accordingly, and adapt to the situation. And it's nothing for me, as I do it every day on a daily basis when it comes to my work. And it takes nothing to simply adapt. So, um, like I said, Christmas is around the corner, and a lot of us, tend to get too overwhelmed, um, and also just try to remember that Christmas is the time where a lot of burglaries and these such things will happen. So just remember to, if you have outside lights, leave them on. Uh, Make sure your cameras are all working good. You know, um, in the winter, cold weather, a lot of us are not aware, but when you're actually installing your security camera on the outdoor, these security cameras should be approved for certain weather. If it happened to be minus 20, whatever it is, it shows it on um, the actual detail that's in the detail of the information that's provided for these cameras, and you know um, it can cause malfunctions. So just be aware of that and make sure that you buy the proper ones, and make sure they're working and your home's safe. And a lot of times, like I said, you can watch your home from off your phone with the today's technology that's going on right now. So it's very important that try to pick cameras that fits your needs and fits your everyday life when it comes to protecting your home and your values, right? So um, it was supposed to be a quick life, and as I said, I'm driving in bad weather, so I'm just going to keep talking until I reach my destination, and then once I'm there, I will end the live. But yeah, Up Movement TV. It was. Uh, I managed to catch your live this morning. A long night. And you know, a long life also after. And this morning I got up and I saw your life. I was actually going through your posts, and then I saw it. I had a notification, and I was blessed to catch the life. I would like to catch the life every morning, but unfortunately, some days I'm tired, and you need to you need to follow the word of the Almighty when He says, it's time to just sit back and relax, and take an extra hour of sleep. Don't try to rush it. So it's just one of those days, and I did not know that the weather was this bad. Hopefully, when I'm leaving, they can actually plow the roads. But yeah, I guess a little bit of snow has came, but it will melt away probably before Christmas. So I don't think it's nothing that's going to stay on the floor. Yeah, I did not expect this weather, but of course, as you know, I'm the type of person that will drive in any type of weather, and I've been doing it for years. I just adjust to the situation at hand, and try to make it through as safe as I can through the bad roads until eventually I can hit a spot where the roads has cleared up, where I can feel a little bit safer when it comes to the actual driving. So that's how I go about my days when it comes to the bad weather. Um, yeah, movement, long life, bro, and I was beat. I was beat, and I didn't think I was going to be that beat, but yeah, it was definitely a long life, and definitely one of those lives that was pretty entertaining, and as Uncle Real Guy's uncle said, sometimes you have to switch the life up in order to. Sometimes you have to switch the live up in order to have a great topic flowing. Uh, so that's been last night, and obviously I continue with the flow, right? Yeah, it was just a vibe last night, bro. For real, it was a good life, and yeah, I mean, it's always good when you can have the good life and interacting with the people. You know. Yeah, movement, bad weather right now. I'm in a different city, and it just started when I got here. Not really sure how long ago it started, but I don't think it's nothing that will hold up for long. I'm not sure. I haven't really checked the weather alert. A lot of times I don't check the alert, bro. I just hop in the vehicle and I go, and as I go, if I have to adapt to it, then I'll adapt to the situation, right? Yeah, well, yeah. So like I said, it's bad weather out here, and hold on, I'm just going to. Yeah, so like I said, it's bad weather, and I don't really consider it to be bad weather as far as seeing bad weather. But once the snow is on the floor and the ice is on the floor, it just gets pretty hectic. So people tend to drive, you know, different, and they tend to panic a lot. So yeah, it's one of these days where it just happens to be a snowstorm right now. I believe I don't know how long it's going to last, but hopefully it doesn't last that long. Yeah, bro. Yeah, the place is. Yeah, bro. Yeah, movement is it's part of life. Yeah, the place is cold, but that's why more times you see me wearing the neck warmer, and a lot of times I'll have my sweater on, and when it gets colder, I'll turn to my jacket. It all depends on the situation, but yeah, it's definitely the weather is not something to play around with when it comes to the snow. It can get very dangerous with the ice and the snow on the floor. As you know, you're not going to see anything underneath the floor. A lot of people they tend to uh, they tend to brake while driving, and like I said, you don't know where the ice is, and it can cause serious issues. So yeah, it's just part of life with my TV that I've learned to adjust to throughout my years of living in these conditions. Right? Do I like it? I mean, it's okay for kids to get to enjoy the snow, but for me personally, it doesn't matter. You know, if I was, I would take hot any day over cold, but it's part of life, part of obviously where I've landed in my lifetime, in my life. You just have to deal with the situation at hand, right? But yeah, it's not a joke. The weather here is, it's something different, and that's how this goes when it comes to the actual. Yeah. Movement. I'm used to it. It's been a while, and it doesn't it doesn't do anything for me. Obviously, sometimes it can get hectic, but you still have to push on and do what you have to do, and make sure that it's make sure that you get to your destination on time. It's part, like I said, it's part of daily life, part of something that I've come to actually realize. Yeah, I deal with it as I see fit. Yeah, bro. No, I don't. I don't. I hear you. Yeah, freeze. I mean, when you're coming up from when you're coming from the actual hot weather, um, it's still in your system, and that's a lot of times that's what protects you from the actual cold itself. Um, no, 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 no. Yeah. I'm sure he's home, but yes, yes. Sorry about that. So a lot of times, like I said, I have to adjust to the. Yeah, I know, bro. It's the Caribbean. It's the actual. You know, it's where everything happens when it comes to the heat. And obviously, it's a different. It's a different ball game there compared to here. But like I said, it was a quick live, and it was supposed to be a quick live, and I'm gonna hop off the live right now as I have to um, start my day, and I'd like to thank everyone for tuning into the live, and continuing to support me, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next live. Again, also of Movement TV. Thanks for swinging by and showing the support, and also like to thank Father Carl for popping in and showing me the support as always, all the time, Father Carl. So bless up, and God's uncle, bless up for the continuing support with me, and the channel, and trying to you know liven up my channel. And again, for all those who are there, you can go ahead and if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Um, you can also like and share, and I will see you guys on the next live. Movement TV. Uh, I'm out, bro. I'll catch you on the next live.